BSP Supremo Mayawati launches major campaign to revive the Dalit base of the party. Uttar Pradesh Congress also focusing on 100 days campaign against centre. Author, Pradeep Kapoor. BSP Supremo Mayawati has made it clear to all political parties as well as her voters that she is very keen to revive her party to stake claim to power in 2027 assembly polls. Fed up being sidelined and dubbed as B team of BJP for past many years, Mayawati now wants to play major role in forthcoming assembly polls. On her birthday on 15th January, Mayawati made significant announcement that her party will contest elections on its own. She completely ruled out the possibility of joining NDA or India Bloc. In order to revive the magic of 2007 when her party came on its own, Mayawati appealed to powerful community to join hands with her. While addressing party leaders, Mayawati appealed for revival of old glory and capture the power in 2027. Mayawati is keen to revive the powerful combination of Dalits, Muslims and Brahman. Mayawati is aware of the disenchantment in Brahman community feeling marginalized in present BJP government headed by a Thakur Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. The frustration in Brahman community came out in open when a group of MLAs held the meeting to discuss the issues of being marginalized. Brahman community leaders complained that the community was not given adequate share in the governance whether in the government or in the administration by the BJP government where a Thakur is the chief minister. Such a meeting of Brahman legislators embarrassed the BJP leadership with a result the organizers were warned by newly installed State President Pankaj Chaudhary who is also a central minister. Mayawati reminded Brahman community that way back in 2007. She had given tickets to large number of Brahmins in assembly and subsequently she shared power with the community by giving adequate representation in the government and the administration. With her outreach to Brahman community, Mayawati wants to send the message to Muslim community as well. With her nephew Akash Anand as national coordinator, Mayawati is focusing on strengthening the organization to win the elections. BSP National President and four-time Chief Minister Mayawati has revived the Bhaichara Samiti at ground level to reach out to Brahmins, Muslims and backwards. In order to win over the support at the ground level, Mayawati is now focusing on local issues and party workers have been directed to sensitize people about their problems. Congress party is looking towards Priyanka Gandhi for the revival of the party for 2027 assembly polls. Party leaders want bigger role for Priyanka Gandhi in UP. That is why party launched a 100-day program on 12th January birthday of Priyanka Gandhi to take up various issues to strengthen the organization and reach to people at ground level. Congress is organizing series of Samvidhan Samvad Mahapanchayats all over the state to tell people that the role of the constitution is being undermined by the BJP government. The first Mahapanchayat will be held in Sitapur. The party has also decided to up the issue of Manrega, which promised jobs in rural India stated by UPA government now undermined by BJP government. Congress will launch Save Manrega campaign all over the state. As a part of 100-day program, all MPs and MLAs and other senior leaders have been directed to hold meeting, rallies and corner meetings to target failure of central and state governments. Congress leaders Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka will also attend various programs in selected districts including Samvidhan Samvad Panchayats and other programs to reach out to backward communities. UPCC President Ajay Rai and AICC in charge Avinash Pandey are monitoring 100 days program all over the state while coordinating with other senior leaders to make it successful for revival of the party to face 2027 assembly polls.